An electrical maintenance program has 9 key elements according to NFPA 70B, all of which are going to be discussed in more detail throughout the rest of this class. Each of these elements involves processes that need to be developed and documented. An EMP requires a safety program that addresses the condition of maintenance. This means that the physical condition and potential safety and operational risks for a piece of equipment or system are taken into consideration. Personnel need to be identified and be made responsible for administering and executing each element of the program. The equipment itself and its associated documentation must be examined to determine maintenance requirements and to prioritize them. And not surprisingly, these maintenance procedures must be developed and documented. The plan must address inspections, servicing, and testing. Documents and records need to be retained to support program continuity and evolution. There need to be processes for when to perform and document reactive or corrective maintenance that are based upon data. An EMP isn't just about preventive maintenance. It must also include a process to incorporate designing the electrical system for maintainability, meaning that systems should be analyzed for ways to change them so that maintenance activities can be performed more safely and effectively. And finally, there need to be processes for reviewing and revising the EMP based upon maintenance results and failures to support its continuous improvement.